This chicken wrap came out crispy, cheesy, and better than takeout. You can cook it and everyone will enjoy it. Look at that, very juicy and appetizing. I'll show you how to make your chicken wrap. Let's get cooking! Start with your chicken amphi. Season it well. I am using the Palo Asado taco seasoning. Good seasoning is what takes simple food to another level. So don't be afraid to season your chicken generously. Now put the chicken onto the grill. Listen to that sizzle. This is where the smoky flavor starts building. I am making sure my chicken is laid flat on the grill to allow tea to cook evenly. Once the chicken has been cooking on one side for a little while, it is time to flip it to the other side. It is important to take your time with it because good grilled chicken is worth the wait. If you cook it well, your taco wrap will be amazing. You don't need restaurant food when you can make this at home. This requires simple ingredients and you'll get real flavor. Once the chicken is done, get it off the grill and let it rest for a little bit. That helps keep it juicy. After a chicken is rested, it's time to cut it into small pieces so it can fit well into the wrap. It's now time to build our wrap. The way I build mine is that I sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese as the first layer. Then I add the chicken pieces on top. Then I add more cheese on top of the chicken, so when I'll cook them, it will melt very nicely. Once I've put the cheese, I fold the wrap in two and transfer it to the pan where I've heated a little bit of oil to toast the wrap, get it crispy, and melt the cheese. After a couple of minutes, flip the wrap, let it cook slowly. You want that cheese perfectly melted. This is what makes the wrap irresistible. The wrap has been cooking on low heat for a couple of minutes. It is time to get it out and cut it. Cut it in half. Look at that cheesy chicken inside. The chicken is well done and the flavor is amazing. Serve it with homemade fries and ketchup dip or any sauce of your liking. Simple, crispy, and packed with flavor. I hope you try it and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes every day. Until next time, see you in the next video.